Hi. It's time to learn about sports. Soccer, basketball, baseball, cricket, tennis, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, golf, hockey, swimming, running, cycling. Your turn. This is soccer. Soccer. This is basketball. Basketball. This is baseball. Baseball. This is cricket. Cricket. This is tennis. Tennis. This is volleyball. Volleyball. This is badminton. Badminton. This is table tennis. Table tennis. This is golf. Golf. This is hockey. Hockey. This is swimming. Swimming. This is running. Running. This is cycling. Cycling. Let's review. What sport is this? Badminton. What sport is this? Hockey. What sport is this? Soccer. What sport is this? Swimming. What sport is this? Basketball. What sport is this? Running. What sport is this? Volleyball. What sport is this? Cricket. What sport is this? Baseball. What sport is this? Table tennis. What sport is this? Cycling. What sport is this? Tennis. What sport is this? Golf. Let's review. I like to play baseball. This. I like to play golf. This. I like to play badminton. This. I like to play hockey. This. I like to play basketball. This. I like to go swimming. This. I like to play volleyball. This. I like to go running. This. I like to play soccer. This. I like to go cycling. This. I like to play table tennis. This. I like to play cricket. This. I like to play tennis. This. Last review. Soccer, basketball, baseball, cricket, tennis, volleyball, badminton, table tennis, golf, hockey, swimming, running, cycling. Good job.
Bye!